Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. A very big company included in S&P 500 index, market cap of more than $86 billion. Everything looks good and stable. If you're looking at the price to book, it is also looking fine. The forward PE of hardly 10 times with a company of this magnitude and where the history goes back more than a decade, or I would say, beg your pardon, a century ago. So this is what we have, and as you can see, a big volume, more than 108 million shares have been traded in this particular counter. And if you're looking at the past 1 year performance, this stock has already given you a decent amount of return, a very stable return over a period of last 1 year. And if you're looking at the overall chart, or those who are holding this stock for the last 30 or 40 years, they have indeed made some big amount of money in this particular counter. So let's see what's driving this stock as of now. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification button to get the notification of my upcoming videos. So what we have here, apart from that, so the latest rating we have here as of December 16 and 38, Wells Fargo given an overweight rating, whereas the Citigroup given a neutral rating. Apart from that, looking at the insider trading, there are some buys. There are some buys in the month of December. So one by executive chair and another by director. So they have bought, although one the executive chair and chair, he has Ford William Clay Jr. So he has bought 400,000 shares, and the director bought 38,000 shares. But anyhow, if these guys are buying the shares, obviously it is a positive thing. And as far as some new stocks, new news is concerned, so let's see. Here we are. So these are the top 5 bids. So let's see what we have here. And yeah, Ford is one of them. Ford is definitely one of them, and I will explain in the chart why. Let's see where do we have Ford. So here we are. Ford stock has a composite rating of 86 and an EPS rating of 37 after valuating above a 16.55 entry. Okay, this is all about the chart. We are going to talk this particular thing or the same thing in the chart. Ford that day announced plans to make 200,000 Mustang Mach-E crossovers in 2023, and a Ford shares hit a 20-year high. As you can see, the statement is enough to tell you. Even if you don't believe me, believe on the statements or which are available in the press release. At least you have to believe it. Now, what else we have here is the chart. And as the saying goes, a picture said more than a million words. Now, let me show you one thing. You can see this hump, right? This hump, right? So if I ignore this one, if I ignore this hump, okay, which happened in between 1997 and 2000, then technically it's a breakout after 40 years above 19.29. So you can clearly see, you just remove this hump and you can clearly see a breakout has happened after a span of 40 years. So this is a very big breakout. So first of all, don't go below 19.29. Consider $19 as your stop loss. Don't go below that. And this is an index stock. It's not going to be very volatile like other stock. And what do we have here? Going before is going hereafter is your two big target, which is in between $36 and $40. Now, because this trend is available in the history, we have to respect it. So until and unless the stock moves beyond $40, we do not have any trend or any further upside. So we have to wait for the stock to retest $40, 39.76 or $40, and must sustain above that. If that happens, if the stock started moving beyond $40 and start sustaining above that, let me tell you, there will be a very big trend which is actually awaiting for you. And if you look at this trend simply, so what I can do here is, I just, if I calculate this price performance, so this is the low, and on an average you have, if I average this point, which is nearly 3.96 is the low, then the swing from the lower end to the upper end of the range consists 835% worth of price move. So a breakout beyond $40 can actually expect us to demand 800% profit on the upside after this big breakout. So if there is a breakout beyond $40, and if the stock started sustaining over here, then it will be a start of a new era, a new trend, and the big target will push the price beyond $300. So here we are, a legendary company, and possibly this is one of those companies which can reimagine themselves over and over again, throughout the decades, throughout the centuries. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.